Hello, this is Rob Bettis, coming at you again with my math tutorials to help you get ready for the SAT and pretty much any other standardized math test. We got a couple of questions up here again, actually concepts, and I call them two-a-days because I do two a day and it takes you, less than 5 minutes or less to understand them, so you can get ready to make the highest score possible on your standardized test. Today, the two concepts or slash ideas I want to talk about are consecutive numbers and counting consecutive integers. First problem is, what is the next number in the following sequence? 36, 39, 42, and 45. What would be the next number? Okay, the second question I want you to think about is how many integers are there from 11 through 31 inclusive? Again, these are pretty basic concepts, but I think we need to learn them and be able to master them and go forward and build on those things so we can get to the more complicated problem that you will encounter on the SAT and any other standardized math. So go ahead and think about those for a minute, and I'll be right back. Hey, Rob Bettis again, welcome back. I left you with a couple of questions. What is the next number in the following sequence? And how many integers are there from 11 through 31 inclusive? For the first question, if you just add 3 to each number, you will get the next number. 36 plus 3 gives you the 39, 39 plus 3 gives you 42, and 42 plus 3 gives you 45. So to get the next number in the sequence, you simply add 3 to it, and 45 plus 3 is 48. That's the answer for this problem. Also, these are all multiples of 3. 3 will go in all these numbers equally, but we'll get into that later. What I want you to do is just concentrate on these basic concepts right now. We'll build up to those more complicated things. I always say that. Okay, for the next problem, how many integers are there from 11 through 31 inclusive? That's one of the key words, inclusive, meaning you have to include 11 in your answer. To get the answer to this problem, you first have to subtract 31 minus 11 and you get 20, okay? You get 20, then you add 1 because you include 11, and 20 plus 1 equals 21. Again, this is a basic math. We sometimes forget it. I've many times forgot this type thing before when I was doing math for many years. And typically you would want to just add it up, in your head, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, and on, you eventually get to 21. But what if, they told you how many integers from 11 to 700 and something? Of course, you can't go 11, 12, blah, 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 all the way to 700. That'll take 15 minutes and you only have a certain amount of time on your test. Keep that in mind. Again, study these two concepts, 5 minutes or less. And if you learn concepts from the previous video or previous week, make sure you go over that for about a minute or two also. And therefore, we build on it and we don't forget what we need to do to make the best score possible. Thanks for joining me again. Be blessed.